Hello guys, so there's a breaking news I don't see all over the social media, so it's very worrying. It's very worrying. Now, you get one journalist waiting for Turkey, you get Yagis Sabunkoglu. So this guy is a very big journalist. In fact, they call him the Fabrizio Romano of Turkey. The guy did very, very good. So the guy now first of all bring out the story. Then James carry him. Now Arsenal carry him. Some people say don't they carry him. So the story is all about Thomas Partey leaving Arsenal. Thomas Partey is leaving. This one will be Thomas Partey may or Thomas Partey might. Thomas Partey is leaving Arsenal. He is currently looking for a new club, and Fenerbahce have made him an offer already. Now, what did the guy just reports today? Now Arsenal carry the same story. Breaking: Thomas Partey is set to leave Arsenal. Updates. Now, for context, if you go to the guy page, Yagis Sabunkoglu, the guy is big, 1.8 million followers. If you are posting rubbish, I don't think you get that kind of following. You get, and I checked some of his page, although in a Turkish language, so me I don't really understand and you get. But those who understand and already carry the story, so that is what we are seeing. Now I come back to the earlier statement, like 4 or 5 days ago, where Go.com put out, where Thomas Partey they give updates about in future. Because I can't go read them again. Make I see whether I get what thing I miss. You get. So now for this particular report, when you read the entirety of the report, you read and come down, you see where for the last paragraph, Partey said something. He said, "I'm an Arsenal fan. I can't decide anything and just have to leave it to my agents and the club," which means, according to Thomas Partey, for the discussion of whether he will sign new contract for Arsenal, he no dey involved. Now only agents and Arsenal, in they let us believe say now agents and Arsenal. But the people on the reason, maybe you will tell your agents what you define. In fact, I was listening to Dean James, because Dean James for that is a post, become the comment section, he can interact with some people. Dean James where they talk say obviously it means say the money where they give Partey for the new amended contract, because remember Arsenal gave him an amended contract that he should still sign, that they believe the contract is competitive. Where they say even if you compare them with people like Atletico, Juve, Barca, or whoever it is want to offer him, you go there are like on the same level. You get. So what he means is that Thomas Partey not really like that money. That was what Dean James explained, and I think it could be true, because Partey they explain say in family, you get. You guys reason about a family. That's the first thing you are going to look at. Say in family now they very very key. You get, because we are not getting any younger. At the level in there now, it's all about the money. Now, how much is Fenerbahce offering him? Because it's going to be a free agent. For now, the figure is not in the public domain. We don't really know. So if this turns out to be true, because as player, we never know whether they use that one as a Trojan horse to just whine Arsenal. Maybe Arsenal say, "Oh, this guy won't go, Fenerbahce," or can't give out in the fine. We never really know. Like what Arsenal is doing to Sesko with Gyökeres. We never really know whether the same tactics Partey and the agents won't do them. And Smith Rowe did this that time. You get. Where they say something like the Porsche Miss Petro before you know Arsenal can't give a better contract. So we've seen these tactics used over and over and again by people. So more just the watch. Any way they go, I will let you know. But if this turns out to be true, to be a big miss, so to be a big miss, because for you to get another person now, because if he leaves, you have to replace him. That's just the thing. And with the wealth of experience, but well, you never really know. Maybe every disappointment is a blessing. Only God knows. So I say make I give you the breaking news. I don't want to wait until night. All right, guys, as you hear.